basically, what is it? Up.
Girl,
All of it done.
I'm telling you, if my husband sees me right now, he will marry me a second time.
Not marry me.
No, I love it, mashallah.
Yeah, welcome. I hope it's like you're satisfied.
Today, I'm not even gonna talk to nobody because, you know, I'm all
glad.
that.
I'm all done.
And what makes it worse? You don't even have a nerve to ever say that you're sorry. You're sorry. You're never wrong, and I'm never right.
So when did you start this passion for makeup?
Since five years.
5 years ago?
Oh yeah.
And
I
you
was
were
in China.
Okay. So you lived in
China.
for how long?
6 years.
So you speak Mandarin?
Yeah, you can say that. But I'm like forgetting everything right now.
Yeah. So you went there for school?
Yeah.
So I have a question about makeup. Why do we always have to start with the eyebrows? I wonder, seriously.
I don't know, because you know when you have like really precise eyebrows, you can know like what to do or
With the rest of your
what the
makeup.
rest would do. But if you like, there is some people like start with a foundation, like
The base.
the skin.
That's what I used to do. And I see all the makeup tutorials starting with the eyebrows.
Yeah,
I'm like, okay.
let me do that. You know, I would like to use like, I don't know, but I prefer to begin with eyebrows.
That's what most people do.
I'm mixing those two in the edges, so I can have like, it's not smoky, but kind of. I liked most of your makeup from the other ones.
Yeah,
What was the reason?
I think, you know how like I feel like people, even like wedding, you know, in Djibouti, you see how they put makeup. It's really, it's not like, how can I say it? And I can stay polite.
No, you can say it.
It's my channel.
People should know that. Seriously.
It's true. No, it's true. I feel like the makeup in Djibouti is so like, I don't know, even maybe 1940, I would say, not even 2000. It's really heavy and that's not what you're looking for. I mean, like if you really want to emphasize on your beauty, like your facial beauty, and makeup is supposed to help but not to change your face.
Yeah.
So that's why I like really, I like your makeup because it's like
Light.
It's light, it's really classy, and it brings out the natural beauty of the woman.
But you know what like brings me to like learn makeup and love like about makeup? Using this to just emphasize the corner corner. Like what I did like is I haven't give anyone my face.
Yeah.
The only reason it was like when I wanted to go do my makeup on, you know, stores and on that kind of places, they do everything like salons. They were like, you go there, you're a dark person. You go out, you're a white person.
It's true.
I was like, damn, what the hell?
No, it's true.
Let's start by correcting it all.
Focus.
I'll leave the links.
Yeah. Laura Mercier, it's the best primer in Word. Basically, that's the best thing who works with me. Seriously, I've been using it since maybe for 4 years right now. And I cannot even talk about it. It's my like favorite go. Now I'm using like I'm gonna color correct with a concealer, like the orange side. It's just like you have a huge hyperpigmentation here. What happened?
No, it's redness. I have, and it's every time.
Is it since you came here?
It's but it's every time. You know how like yesterday I was talking about my body's inflamed.
Yeah.
So I had more redness, huh? Now it's reducing, but is every time I eat like gluten and milk. Right now I'm not really taking care of. I'm eating whatever comes my way.
It's like this, Djibouti. Yeah. Okay. Since I don't have your shade, let me just mix two foundation right now.
Mix and you can correct with the powder.
With the powder.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna use like Superstay 24 Hours by Maybelline and Iman. I know
Let's start by correcting it all. Lower your finger, don't be coming at me with condescending demeanor. Tell you did wrong, and what makes it worse? You don't even have a nerve to ever say that you're sorry. You're sorry. You're never wrong, and I'm never right.
you see this side now. On that side, it's not blended yet. Like this.
Wait, this camera is a liar. It is a liar, seriously. It's gonna blend everything for you.
Yeah, this side is blended. The other side is not blended yet. I just put.
You see the difference.
Yeah.
Girl, I wish you were there for my wedding, huh? I swear.
No.
It was really hard to find like a black makeup artist that doesn't charge like $1,000. You know what I mean?
No.
If you would recommend like someone that doesn't do makeup, what would be the base to get? Let's say like I don't have all of this. What should I get? Okay, primer.
Primer. Yeah. Sorry. Primer. Foundation. Corrector. But you know, if you don't want to have like full coverage, you could just use like a corrector to correct all that spot that you have, and just blend it and put a powder on it, and you go out. You don't have to need you don't need to put a full coverage foundation that will cost you so much more. So I prefer I always do that. I just put like concealer, I conceal, I put like powder, eyeliner, mask, and I go really far. Now I'm gonna use a pro concealer contour. This is the deeper shade. What is it called? Toast. Sorry. I'm gonna contour.
Okay, I need to learn contouring, so I'm gonna be really focused now.
Everyone is like this.
I'm never right, and you went all the rounds in every fight. That's why can't see the day we always getting away. You just keep getting away. You just keep getting away. Selfish, so I decided not to get in the way. It's time to
face is basically baking right now.
Actually, I'm not gonna bake it that long.
Okay. Just the terms are so funny.
Yeah.
Baking my face. I think the reason why I don't put too much makeup is not the makeup itself. It's taking off the makeup.
Take too long, right?
I wish like they could come up with a mask where you just put it and then put it off and.
Oh, sorry. I'm using same thing, Iman, with her browns.
Bronzer. Oh, come on.
Bronzers. Just like, no, do this. Like you're laughing. Yeah. Your bone.
So is the bronzer a must?
Not really, but this is a blush. Bronzer, like slash.
Okay.
All of it together. That's why I like to use it, because it all get that glow once. You don't have to like go back with it again. Just you use whatever you. I will go back with the same blending color that I used to do her underline under eye. So we're gonna match.
That is something I never do. It's like next level.
You win all the rounds in every fight, that's why. Can't stand the day we always getting away. You just keep getting away. You just keep getting away. Selfish, so I decided not to get in your way. It's time to do it my way, and that means getting away from you. You're selfish, you're selfish, you're
Girl, I can't see it well on my camera by the way, but damn.
Is that good?
Hell yeah.
Okay, now the first part is like fixing everything on before doing highlights.
Okay.
By the way, I'm fixing up with NYX. NYX, focus, yes.
Fix me, girl. Fix me.
Okay, let me go with a highlighter since like let it be. I'm going with MAC highlighter. What is that called even? We'll put this yeah, Whisper of Guilt. I don't know what kind of guilt, but damn, this highlighter is so good. Those lipsticks. I'm using Her Ends lipsticks.
Yes.
These are Beauty by Femmes. It's Canadian brand, but it's owned by Djibouti. So
You're selfish.
those actually are good and creamy.
Yeah, no. We're actually so proud of it.
Seriously, I have to buy them. Where did they sell it?
She's here until the 18th.
Until 18. She brought her stuff with it.
Yeah. And she also have a website, but you know, the delivery
No,
to
let
Djibouti.
me buy this before she go. I don't want to order this. I don't want to have like tested and yeah.
True.
That's basically what is it. Up.
Girl,
all of it done.
I'm telling you, if my husband sees me right now, he will marry me a second time.
Not marry me.
No, I love it, mashallah.
Yeah, welcome. I hope it's like you're satisfied.
Today, I'm not even gonna talk to nobody because, you know,
I'm
I'm all
glad.
that.
I'm all gone.